Welcome one and all to Mumbles. We're on Park Avenue in SA3 and today we're showcasing a 3-bed semi-detached property which has just been renovated to a very high specification. We've got a full, thorough, deep renovation on this property, which includes full rewire, heating system, and a beautifully appointed integrated kitchen. We've also got full Ethernet cable throughout, as well as a huge flat screen TV, which is recessed into the wall, ready for the next buyer. Despite the contemporary finish on this property, it still retains its vintage charm with brand new fitted double glazed sash windows and beautifully appointed brickwork to the front. Over the recent years, Mumbles has undergone a huge redevelopment, which includes this place, Oyster Wharf. What a fantastic place to call home. I'm sure you'll all agree Mumbles makes an incredible backdrop to your daily life. If of interest, the number's below, give me a call.